Hey, do you know who the personal finance expert that is perfect for your personal finances? That person's you. There's no other person that's going to be as good as you are with your personal finances. Now, you might be saying, I don't know anything about it. And that's the point I'm getting at here. I spent 20 years in personal finance, and I've worked for nonprofits like credit unions. I worked for the big banks. I was a financial advisor and a lender and a banker. And the one thing that rings true is we can't help you as well as you can help yourself. And that means being a financial expert on your personal finances means becoming educated on it and you taking a proactive approach to it. No one else can help you until you help yourself with it. So that means becoming an expert on daily money management, having systems and habits in place that are going to get you where you need to be so that you can eventually work with a personal finance expert who can help you grow your wealth. But first, it's got to be you. You have to take the reins. You have to understand it. You have to seek the knowledge, ask people for advice, and understand the game of personal finances so that you can play it to win.